So good evening to everyone present here. In this class, we are going to see the profit and loss concept and then a few problems are related to the miscellaneous type. Okay, and then in the upcoming classes, we are going to deal with some problems with respect to your group exams, and then also from the second class or third class, we are going to see the UPSC standard questions. Okay, since a few aspirants asked about the State Public Service Commission, so therefore we are covering that also. Okay, so here let us start with some concept first. So first of all, what do you mean by profit and loss? Where this concept is being used, etc. This is very important. Okay, so in everyday today life, everyone is facing this one, profit and loss. Okay, so always remember few things. Okay, the profit and the loss. So this both profit and loss is calculated on the cost price. Okay, so that you need to be remember. Okay, if the question is dealing with the selling price, then you have to find with respect to the cost price. Okay, that is the first point you need to make note of it. So for example here, when the price, okay, here some business persons are there. Okay, that business persons we call that as a traders. Okay, so the trader buys something. Okay, so this is called as a cost price. Then the same trader sells, okay, some goods. That goods is nothing but you can call that as a article or whatever. Okay, so that is nothing but the selling price. Okay, you are taking this as a CP, then you are taking this as a SP, cost price and selling price. So few things you need to take note of it. When the selling price is greater than the cost price, obviously the trader makes some profit, attains some profit. When the selling price is less than the cost price, then loss is happening for that person. Okay, here you will be asked to find out the loss percentage and the profit percentage, like that. So for that, here you need to calculate the profit percentage. So that is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Always remember the reference is going to be your cost price. Okay, the profit and loss calculated on the cost price just now we have seen. So if it is negative, then obviously it is going to be the loss. Okay, or else you can calculate in this way: CP minus SP by CP into 100. So this is nothing but the loss. So that is the negative. So just make note of this one. This is enough, more than enough. Since you know very well that when the cost price is greater than the selling price, then obviously loss occurs. When the selling price is greater than the cost price, then obviously profit occurs. So in order to find out the percentage, okay, so here listen one concept. This is also very important concept. Okay, when the selling price, okay, so which is equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into cost price. So here this is in case of a profit. Okay, so with this you can calculate SP or CP, whatever be the unknown, you can able to calculate by using this simple formula. But they will give you many, like a CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit into SP. So that and all not required. One is enough in order to calculate the other. Okay, don't confuse with many formulas, etc. Just stipulate with the simple formulas, and then you can easily substitute the values and find out the unknowns. So next thing what you need to know is, suppose if the loss happens. So same thing. So loss means what? Minus. Therefore 100 minus some loss percentage. So divisible by 100 into CP. So this you can use with respect to your loss. And some more concept you have already done. Okay, with respect to the percentage, the similar concept is I'm repeating here. Suppose if a person sells two same item, okay, two same item, one item making a gain of X percentage, the other item making a loss at the X percentage. Always remember both the things are same, that is X and X. If it is so, obviously what will occur? Then the loss only will occur, depreciation only will occur. So that only we have seen in the percentage concept. So therefore obviously remember, always it is going to be a loss if it is so. So how to calculate that a loss percentage is simple. So X percentage of X, so that is nothing but X by, okay, 100, X percentage of X, so which is nothing but X square by 100, or else you can calculate in this way also, X by 100 the whole square. So here they will give you a question. Okay, if a person sells two items, one makes a profit of 10%, other makes a loss of a 10%, then find out the overall effect in that discount. So which means that obviously the loss occurs, 1% loss occurs in this case. Understood? The 10 means 1% loss occurs. Since X is nothing but 10, substitute 10 here, therefore 10 gets cancelled. Understood? 1 square is nothing but a 1, so therefore 1% loss occurs. I hope everyone is clear now. Understood?
Sir, sir.
Fine. So let us solve some basic questions, and then we move on to the some concept, or else I'll give you some other concept here, or else concept is enough. Let us start with some basic question, and then some miscellaneous type of question, and so during that time I'll give you some more concept. Okay, so that is important. Wait a minute. So here it's a basic. Okay, solve this basic question, then we move on to the some other concepts. A man buys an article. So whatever be the man buying and doing some modification, etc., those things comes under the cost price. So therefore cost price is equal to 27.50. Then the SP, selling price, is equal to 28.60. So here obviously it is going to be the gain only, since the selling price is greater than the cost price. So obviously profit will occur. Then the profit percentage is equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. Okay, no doubt, right, with this? So therefore CP. So here what is SP? So what is the difference between these two? The difference between these two is nothing but 1.10. The CP is nothing but 27.50, then into 100 percentage. Okay, so therefore you can calculate here 20 in the numerator also, we are containing two zeros, therefore 110, then 2750 into 100. Okay, what is the percentage here?
4%.
4%. Yeah, people understanding how 4%? This cancels by 25 times. then obviously 100 by 25 is nothing but a 4%. Clear, everyone?
So,
Fine. So
Sir, yes, sir.
next is a basic problem only. Please, this kind of questions you may expect in your state public service commission, as well as sometimes nowadays it's not coming in the UPSC, but in your state public service commission you may expect this kind of problems. Try to join by time, okay? That is my suggestions to everyone, so that you will not miss any concepts. I hope everyone got your answer script right. Those who have submitted your answers, that answers has been evaluated and also give given the feedback etc and provided to you.
sir,
I
I
hope
can submit by tomorrow also, right?
yeah, last date is tomorrow. You can submit by tomorrow. Those who are submitted, they got the evaluated script also. Okay, but do one thing while writing, don't take it in the right manner. One means option A, two means option C. Like write like this, that only better way. Okay, it is not the descriptive
Okay, sir.
examination. No, no, no.
I got.
Somebody has done it in a descriptive manner. Then finally they are calculating the answer like that. So don't do such a thing.
Sorry, sir, for
No, no,
the
no,
very.
not yours, not yours.
No, no, I was asking like from the very next time I will, whenever we'll be having
Then
test,
also,
I will
then
do it OMR seat, just like at UPSC
yes,
when we
yes,
used to
OMR
do.
also better. OMR also
Yeah,
better.
I will be
Yes,
doing that.
one
Okay.
more. Yes, one of the aspirant done the OMR sheet only. That also I evaluated and we gave it the feedback also. So please take the exam sincerely. So that is my. I was satisfied with a few people. Yes, the accuracy level what they are maintaining is that is good. When the person is attempting 20 questions or 15 questions, but all the 15 questions are right means that accuracy is very important. Okay, that I have seen with a few people. So I will be happy with them. So here, a man bought two ends at the same price and sold one at a gain of 20%, other at the loss of 20%. On the whole, either the man will gain or loss, or neither gain nor lose, then or else none of this. If cost price is not given, always consider that cost price is as a 100. Okay, simple. So listen, I don't know the cost price. The man bought two ends at the same price, right? So
Yes,
the
sir.
cost price is going to be the 100 for the each item. One is sold at the gain of 20 percentage. So then the selling price is going to be the 120, right?
Sir, this one x square by 100. We can directly.
Hmm.
So plus 20 into minus 20 divided by 100.
It's the same percentage, so always loss x square by 100.
So 4% plus.
Listen carefully. Listen carefully here. Let me complete. Rashekar is saying one thing. Ashina is saying another thing. Both are doing the sum methods. Listen carefully. A man bought two ends at the same price, sold one at the gain of 20 percentage, other at the loss of 20 percentage. On the whole, a man will get a gain or loss or neither gain nor loss or 4% loss. Okay, now listen very carefully here. This is the SP. Okay. So now next thing is same. CP is equal to 100. Then here loss 20 percentage. Then selling price is going to be the 80. Understood? Now what is the total cost price? What is the total cost price?
Sir, 200, sir.
100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Total selling price 120 plus 80. So which is equal to 200. So the selling price is equal to the cost price. In this case, whether loss happens or gain happens or neither gain nor loss or 4% loss. What is the profit?
Sir, neither gain nor
What
loss.
is the loss? SP minus CP. SP minus CP is equal to 0%, which means that neither loss nor gain. Rajshekar, understood? Ashina, understood?
Yes, sir.
Question is different. The question is different. Statement is different. Sold one at a gain of. It is not given that. Listen carefully. If person sells two items, two same items. Okay. Rajshekar is mentioning this one. Rajshekar, this one only you are mentioning, but not the case
Yes,
here. Understood?
yes, sir. Yes.
So please be careful here. This is the two different thing. Okay, one at the same price, a man bought two ends at the same price. CP is same here. One is giving the sold. That person is selling that at a gain of 20 percentage and the loss 20 percentage. Then in order to solve gain or loss, first of all find out the total cost price, then find out the total selling price and check the difference, or else here itself you can make a difference. When the selling price is greater than the cost price, then it is a profit. When the selling price is less than that, then obviously loss. But here both the cases are same, therefore it gives neither loss nor gain. Understood, everyone? Fine. I hope everyone is clear now.
Yes, sir.
When SP, always remember, when the SP is equal to CP, there is no profit, no loss. So that is the common thing you need to understand. So that is what I have presented that question by. So now listen carefully. So here I will give you one simple question. You people answer. Okay. Or else let me complete some concept and then I will give you a question. Listen. So you people calculated the percentage gain and the percentage loss also. So that is the SP minus CP by CP into 100. Okay. Loss also you people done. Then I'll give you this question. Try this question and come back to the next one. Read the question first. Rajshekar bought a land in Madurai for rupees 30 lakhs and sold it for rupees 46 lakhs. Dinesh bought a flat in the same society, which means the same place, Madurai, for rupees 40 lakhs and sold it for rupees 63 lakhs. Which of these sellers ended up getting the better deal? See, now what is the question here? Whoever getting the more profit, that person is going to ended up by getting the better deal. Understood? Therefore, you need to calculate the profit percentage first. Understood?
Sir, yes, sir.
Hmm.
Dinesh.
Dinesh getting better, huh?
So,
Yes, sir.
So here, regarding with the Rajashekar here. So CP 30, then SP 40. Both the units are same here in terms of a lakh. Therefore, don't worry about that. So therefore, SP minus CP is equal to 16. Therefore, profit percentage. So which is equal to 16 by CP. Always reference is going to be the CP into 100. Then, so you people calculated 160 by 3. 160 by 3 is nothing but obviously around 53 point or 10, 10 divided by 3 is nothing but 3.33. Okay, therefore 53.33. Then what about the case with respect to the Dinesh? So Dinesh, so here cost price is going to be the 40, selling price is going to be the 63, then the profit is going to be the 23. So therefore profit percentage is equal to 23 by CP 40 into 100. So therefore cancel. So that here 230 by 4. So obviously 50, therefore 5 here. The remaining 30. 30 means 7 times, right? 28. Therefore, which one is better? So approximately. So I'm just considering approximate answers. So therefore, it comes around 57 point, right? But here it is only ended up with the 53. Therefore, Dinesh is making the profit. Okay, therefore, second person, Dinesh ended up with a better deal. Understood?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right?
Sir, here
No doubt.
Hmm.
we cannot say with profit alone, sir. Profit is 23 here, 16 only.
No,
So
no, 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 no,
directly,
no, 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 no. Always you need to convert in terms of a percentage.
okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that gives you the exact result. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. So this question is also important question. Important model also. This kind of question you may expect in both State Public Service Commission as well as UPSC. Okay. Ajay sells his car but erroneously calculates his percentage gain as 23.07% on his selling price rather than on the cost price. What was his actual profit or loss percentage? So how to solve this kind of questions? So listen carefully here. So here Ajay sells his car, okay, but erroneously calculates his percentage gain as, listen, so what is the percentage profit? Gain is nothing but SP minus CP by CP into 100. So actually this is actual one, but what Ajay has done is on his selling price he has calculated, so therefore erroneously what he has done, he has calculated that percentage profit as with respect to the selling price here. Understood? So this only happened. So therefore, so that percentage is nothing but 23.07. You can take SP as a common here or else divide that. Therefore 1 minus CP by SP into 100. Then multiply. So therefore if you divide with 100, then 2 zeros you have to move. Therefore 0.2307, which is equal to 1 minus Cp by Sp. Then bring this towards the LHS, bring this towards the RHS. Cp by Sp, which is equal to 1 minus 0.2307. So what would be the answer? 1 minus 0. Therefore 0.7693. So you have calculated Cp by Sv. Then actual profit only you need to calculate. Okay, what is the actual one with respect to the cost price? Therefore actual profit which is equal to Sp minus Cp by Cp into 100. So which is equal to Sp by Cp minus 1 into 100. So which is equal to, so Sp minus Cp, that is the reciprocal of this one, isn't it? Am I right? Reciprocal of this one.
Yes, sir.
So then calculate 1 minus 0.7693 by 0.7693 into 100. So 1 minus 0. So what would be the answer of this one? 1 minus
0.2307.
0.2307.
2307.
07. Okay, by 0.7693 into 100. Then 4040. So this is nothing but a 3 times, isn't it? 3 times, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
33.33.
33.33.
33.
33.33,
It's not coming. 2307. 3 times means 6921.
3 times means it's not coming, na?
Yes, sir.
Wait. It's not coming. It's not exactly 3 times. We'll calculate. Or else we will calculate in another way, so that would be better. So just take the approximate value. Okay. Or else you can go with in this method also. Just divide 1 2 3 0 7 7 6 9 3 into 100. So it will give approximate answer only, right? Isn't it? Not exactly. See, don't consider the exact answer. Just take the approximate answer. Or else do one thing. Suppose if anybody having a calculator means just check this one. What would be the answer? Check this one.
Sir, approximately 29.
Approximate is 29 point. 29 point. Do one thing. Let me complete this one.
Sir, 29.98, sir.
2700 by 7693. Approximate answer 29 point.
98.
98.
So just you rounded off this to 30%. Understood? Yes or no? See this kind of percent, this dot after that decimal point, if keep on decimals are moving on means then you have to take the rounded off number only. So in your option, if you are getting 30%, then take it as a 30%. Understood? Since
Yes, sir.
even listen carefully. So suppose do this in your mobile calculator. So 1 divisible by 1 divided by 0.7693. 1 divided by 1 divided by 0.7693.
1.299.
1.299. So that you can round it off to 1.3. Okay. So in that case, listen carefully. Let me change the color of the pen and I will write it here. So now listen. The same situation. So in this situation, just a arrow mark. So if you take that as a 1.3 into 100, then obviously this much of calculation and all not required. So 0.3 into 100. So this is nothing but 30%. Understood? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can use this red color also, but what you have to do is you have to do, suppose if the problem comes in the examination means this method will help you if problem comes in the examination means, but for your manual calculation and all quite difficult. Okay, so now shall we move on to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Understood how to proceed? Now I'm moving to the next. So before moving to the problem, here learn some concept and then we'll move on to the problem. So here, what do you mean by return on investment? The concept called as return on investment. In the upcoming classes also we are going to discuss so many concepts, but these terms and all you need to return on investment. So return on investment means what? A simple term, profit, isn't it? You are investing something. What would be the return?
How much we get back that one, sir?
Yes, that is going to be the percentage profit. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So suppose if you are investing some money, okay, in some business, obviously what will you expect? Some more money than the investment. Understood or not? That return on investment is nothing but the, listen, earnings minus investment by the investment. So the same logic, SP minus CP by CP, the same logic only we are using here also. Earning minus investment by investment into 100. So this is nothing but the return on investment. Okay, actually this return on investment will give profit or else it will give you a loss also. Understood? Then one more concept you need to understand, you need to learn. So I will tell you that concept also. So that concept is nothing but the you people came across margin, market priced or else marked price and discount. These terms you need to differentiate and you need to understand. So now listen carefully. This person, okay, this person produced some product. Okay, this product has been produced at a certain price. Certain price. Okay, which means that this product is produced at a certain price means this price is nothing but the full of investment. Understood or not? If you are putting some this much of prices to make this product, then it is called as the your investment. Okay, whatever the thing you are investing. Okay, for example, a farmer, what is doing, he is investing, okay, in every circumstances, so which means that, so that is nothing but the some certain price. After getting that product, what he or she is doing, so that person is selling that same product, okay, with the higher price, selling that with that higher price. Okay, so therefore this higher price, you can call this higher price as marked price. This higher price is called as a marked price, or else you can call this as a MRP. Okay, or else you can call this as a tagged price. Okay, so now what do you mean by the margin? And or else you can call that as a markup price. Okay, markup or okay, what is it? How to calculate the markup price? Anybody know? So now listen carefully.
Selling
The
price minus MRP.
MRP minus
Selling price.
that a certain price. MRP minus that certain price is nothing but the margin. Okay, so this can be written as MP minus CP. So please take note of these points. Okay, margin is equal to MP minus CP. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. So this one, this is enough. Okay, this is enough. Margin is equal to MP minus CP. So same thing, SP minus you people calculate na, that was same thing. Okay, but here selling price is different from the MRP. So why I am differentiating is, if you are doing some discount etc means that also comes under the selling price. After some discount with respect to the MRP, that becomes a selling price. Hope you are clear, right? The difference between the MRP and the selling price. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now here, so how to calculate the margin percentage? Same concept. What you have done with the profit, the same concept apply here. Okay, MP minus CP by MP into 100. So this is nothing but the margin. Okay. So they will ask you to find out the marked price. Okay. Marked price is nothing but the cost price into 1 plus margin by 100. So take this one. Marked price is equal to cost price into 1 plus margin by 100. Okay, actually this is the formula method. You can do the same problem by using the PCG concept also. Okay, marked price is equal to cost price, then this one which gives you the marked price. That also we can do in the upcoming classes with respect to the PCG method. Okay, so now What do you mean by marked up price? Marked up, or else they will give you marked down. So simple concept. Marked down means what? If the MRP is less than the cost price, then you can see. If you want, I will write. If MRP is less than the CP, then you call that as the marked down. Please note down the terms. When the MRP is less than the CP, then you call that as the marked terms. Okay, marked down. Suppose when the MRP is greater than the CP, then you call that as the marked up. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one more thing you need to learn here. So what you need to learn here means, suppose when the same product has been marked up above the CP, listen, above the CP, then sold at lower value, than MRP, then you call that as a discount. Okay. So what do you mean by discount? When that product marked up the above the CP and sold lower the MRP, then you call that as the discount. Understood? If you want, I will write it here. So just mark this simple formulas. Okay, that discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. Marked price minus selling price. Then obviously what would be the selling price? The selling price is equal to marked up price plus or minus discount. Understood? Yes or no? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This thing very simple. Discount is equal to marked up above the CP, okay, and sold at the lower price than the MRP. So that is nothing but the selling price. So therefore MP minus SP is nothing but the discount. Therefore selling price is nothing but the MP minus discount. So please remember these terms first. So if you understood, fine.
Sir,
Mm,
sir,
mm.
sir, I was asking, is marked down and marked up is same?
Mm-hmm. When the MRP is less than the CP, then you call that as the markdown.
Okay,
Okay.
and marked up?
When the MRP is greater than the CP, then you call that as a marked up.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Fine. Now, shall we move to the problem? One problem for the better understanding. Listen. A manufacturing cost of a mobile is rupees 15,000. Once the brand label is put on, the MRP of the mobile goes up directly by 40%. An electronic showroom sells this okay, that mobile at a 15% discount. So what is percentage profit or loss? Okay, so read the question again. When the manufacturing cost of that mobile or else tablet, whatever you can take, so that is the manufacturing cost means what? It's a cost price. Understood? whatever the
Yes, sir.
thing, okay, that happens, okay, to buy that motherboard, to buy the panel, to buy the speaker, to buy the microphone, whatever be, okay, that is the nothing but the manufacturing cost. Even though everything is different, but suppose if everything is given as the separately, then what you need to do is you need to add everything, then take those as the cost price. Now the cost price is rupees 15,000. So now listen carefully. Once the brand label is put on, the MRP of that mobile goes up directly by 40%. So therefore, what is marked up price? So marked up price goes up to 40%. The 10% is nothing but 1,500. 40 percentage of so here 15,000 plus 40 percentage of 15,000. So 40 percentage of 15,000 is nothing but a 6,000. So 10% is 1,500, right? Into 4. Obviously it is a 40 percentage. Then it will become the 21,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you have calculated the MP. So now in order to calculate the selling price, what we have to do? Marked price minus discount, isn't it? Isn't it? Selling price
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to marked price minus discount. Just now you have seen here. Selling price is equal to MP minus discount. So now what is the discount here? So here MRP, that is nothing but 21,000. Discount is nothing but the 15 percentage. Okay. So what is the 15 percentage? What is the 15 percentage? You can calculate. So 15 percentage discount. The electronic showroom sells this tablet at a 15 percentage discount. Then what is the selling price? What would be the 15 percentage? What is the 10 percentage?
So 10% is 2,100.
Hmm.
5% 1,050.
Hmm.
So 3,150.
Hmm. 3,150. Yeah.
3,150.
Then subtract. So then 3,000 means 1800. 150 means 17850, isn't it? Then the selling price is equal to 17850. Then here you can check here. Obviously it gives you profit, isn't it? Selling price is greater than the cost price. So therefore we can calculate the profit percentage. How could you calculate? SP minus CP by CP into 100. So therefore if you subtract this 17850 minus 1500 by 1500 into 100. So therefore this is nothing but a 2850 by 1500 into 100. So 0000 cancel here, 1010 cancel, then 285 by 15. Obviously, how many times? So here 19 times, right? 20 times is 300,
19.
90 percentage. So therefore profit is 19%. Anybody having a doubt here, please clarify. If you are having a doubt, please clarify.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, is MRP and mark price the same, please?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now listen. I will give you one more concept here. Please take that also. So here Listen, in order to calculate the percentage discount, so that method is one method. What we have done is one method. This method also you can apply. So in order to calculate the percentage discount, what you people have to do is just actual discount by the MP marked up price 100. So actual discount is nothing but a MP minus SP by MP into 100. Then divide this, therefore it will become 1 minus SP. Okay, simple. Then this is one method, simple. So in order to calculate the selling price, listen, this is another one. In order to calculate the selling price, what you have to do is MP into 1 minus percentage discount by 100. This method also you can do. SP is equal to MP into 1 minus percentage discount by 100. So the same logic apply here. So I will tell you that in the red color now. So SP, how could you calculate? MP into 1 minus discount percentage by 100. So what is the discount percentage? 15, isn't it? 15. So here substitute here, SP is equal to, what is the MP? 2100 into 1 minus D is nothing but 15 percentage, the 15 by 100. Then take the LCM here. So 100 minus 15 is nothing but 85 by 100, 0000 cancel. Then 85 into 210, obviously it will become 17850. You can use this method also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Red color also you can apply. Now, but you need to be very careful here. So the people may get confusion whether this discount we have to use 1000, 15,000 or else 21,000. Always remember, after calculating this marked up price, then only the showroom gives a 15% discount, which means that the discount has to be calculated with respect to the marked up price. Understood? MRP. Clear? What is the MRP now? 21,000. With these 21,000 only, the showroom gives 50% discount. Everyone understanding or not? Difference. Don't
Yes,
get
sir.
confusion here
Yes,
with the
sir.
cost price and the MP. After MP only they are giving you 50% discount. Actually you assume yourself as a showroom dealer. Simple. Then easily you can calculate. So okay, the manufacturing cost is 15,000. Then MRP goes up 40%. After that 40% increase only you are giving the 15% discount. Clear? Shall we move to the next problem? Everyone clear, right?
Sir.
Fine. So these are all very important. See, don't ever skip your CSAT preparation. So that is very important. My suggestion is don't skip your CSAT preparation. Don't assume that within 3 months before the prelims you people can able to cope up with the CSAT. Please don't do such a mistake. To save your one attempt, start practicing your CSAT earlier. That is my suggestion. So remaining is your choice. I always keep on saying this one. CSAT is very important daily, or at least alternate days you have to give importance for the CSAT. So now obviously 8 months. Okay, I am not calculating the May month. So obviously in 8 months are there 280 plus days. Okay, so please at least if you give CSAT preparation alternate days also 140 days you are giving your best with respect to CSAT. Therefore you can able to clear. So that importance is very important. Give much important. So now next one. A store, okay, purchases pen from a local manufacturer at rupees 150 per pen and sells them as the premium branded pen at rupees 3300 per pen. What is the margin for the store. So keep that in terms of your percentage. So listen, I will show you the concept here. So what is the margin? Margin, how could you calculate? MP minus CP by MP into 100. Okay, this one. So here, understanding this one. So clear everyone? You can use this one.
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute. So margin only na. Margin should be, listen, there is one change. Okay, the margin should be calculated with respect to CP. Here I given as a MP. No. So take this, change this one. So here you need to calculate with respect to CP, not with respect to SP. Okay, please change this one. Okay, margin is equal to MP minus CP by CP. Okay, this is the right one. Okay, into 100. So you can use this method. Margin is equal to MP minus CP by CP into 100. So if you apply the same logic here, easily you can find out the answer for this question. So here the procure pen, whatever the buyer okay investing, that is going to be your cost price. So therefore cost price for that buyer is rupees 150. Then sells them as the branded pen, which means that MRP, they are raising the MRP as 3300 per pen. What would be the margin? Okay, so therefore
So 21%.
21
Yes.
check again. So now listen, MP minus CP by CP into 100. So MP minus CP, okay, or else you can calculate in this way also. MP minus CP minus 1 into 100. So now 150, okay, MP is nothing but a 3300 by CP is nothing but a 150 minus 1 into 100. Then 1010 cancel here 22 times, right? Understood?
Sir.
Margin is nothing but this much of percentage, Rajshekar. Understood?
Then 2200. Yes, sir.
So therefore the total answer is going to be the margin percentage. So therefore here 22 minus 1 into 100. So therefore 21 into 100. So which is equal to 21 100%. Anybody having a doubt? +20 members are there. Apart from Rajshekar,
Sir, no, sir.
no doubt. Dinesh, okay. What about others?
No,
Understood,
sir.
sir.
Understood. Okay,
Sir,
fine. Hmm.
22 minus 1. What is it?
எப்படி வந்துச்சா? So
Sir.
we need to clear with 22 minus 1. 330 divisible by 15. So here 22 times. 22 times.
Yes,
Then
sir.
here
Yes,
minus
sir.
1 into 100. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Fine.
sir.
Thank you. Those who are having doubt, please come forward to ask your doubts. So now this question. A chemist buys medicine worth rupees 6400 and makes a 12% profit even after giving a discount to their 20% discount to their customers. What is the MRP displayed on the medicine? MRP displayed on the medicine. So a chemist buys whatever he is investing, that is going to be the cost price. So first of all, take the data first. The cost price is going to be the this one. Then it makes 12% profit even after giving 20% discount to their customer. So what is the MRP displayed on the medicine? So that is the question here. So what is the gain? Actually gain is nothing but a 12%, right? So 12% is gain. If it is gain is 12%, what is going to be the selling price? The selling price is going to be the CP plus profit. So the CP is nothing but 6400. The profit is nothing but a 12% of CP. So therefore 10% is nothing but a 640, 10%. Then another 2% is nothing but 128. So therefore total 12% is going to be the 867. So therefore, am I right? 678. So then add up. So if you add up, what you are getting? 8 768. 768. Then here 6. Then here 1. Then
1, 7.
7. So this is going to be the selling price. Okay. I don't know the MP. Okay, that MRP. So let us take that MRP as the X rupees. So listen carefully. What is going to be the MRP? 20% discount. 12% profit even after giving 20% discount to their customer. What is the MRP displayed on the medicine? So listen carefully. That 20% discount is giving on MRP, isn't it? Okay. Then what is going to be the selling price? Selling price is equal to 80% of MRP, isn't it or not? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now calculate this simple. What is the SP now? SP is nothing but a 1768. Sorry, 7168. Then 80% means what? 80% means in terms of a fraction 4 by 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
4 by 5 into MRP is nothing but X. So calculate this. If you want to, you can cancel this also. 4 table. 4 table. 4 ones are 4. Here 3 1. So 7. Then 28 3 6. Then 9 2. So therefore I am cancelling this. I will get a 1792 is equal to X by 5. Then obviously X is going to be the 1792 into 5. Then what would be the X?
8960.
8960. So therefore this is going to be the MRP. Anybody having a doubt, please go through again, or else if anybody wants me to explain it again, I will explain. Clear means we will move on to the next one. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Please listen how to proceed this kind of problems. So actually when a person, assume yourself as the chemist, which means that you are investing this much of amount, which means that 6400 you are investing. So with that investment what you are doing is makes a 12% profit. Okay, so if it is, what is the 12% profit? So how could you calculate that? Okay, with that 12% profit, easily you can find out the selling price. The selling price is going to be the, actually find out the selling price here. The selling price is going to be the cost price, and then that much percentage with respect to the cost price, that is going to be the profit. After finding out the selling price, you need to calculate the market price. The market price is nothing but the X rupees. Okay, you can take whatever, okay, X rupees. So here that market price is going to be the 100%. Okay, that is nothing but the X. Okay, suppose 20% discount on MRP means 80% is going to be the selling price. Simple logic. 80% only going to be the selling price with respect to the MRP. So if you know this logic, easily you can substitute the values and you can derive the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Sir, have the discount been given in numbers, then how will we take out?
Why
What percentage?
it's noising? Noise. Rasha, when you
Sir, can
talk.
you show the previous slide?
Wait a minute. Dipti, your side noise occurs.
Hello?
Please, others mute. My voice is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir. Deep
I'm
is
get
my only problem, sir.
Issue. Mic
yes,
issue.
issues with Deepti.
Sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Issue.
Deepti, yes.
had the discount been in numbers, how would we calculate, sir?
Huh? Dipti, your voice is not clear.
Sir, is it clear now?
No.
I'm
Dipti,
sorry,
do
I'll
one thing.
text you for that.
So I think she's asking if the discount is in number instead of percentage, then how we'll do that, right, Deepthi?
Yes.
Clear, huh? Oh, she is asking if the discount is some amount instead of percentage.
Yes, sir.
So, therefore, listen carefully. If MP is nothing but the X rupees, okay, with this X rupees, then we have to subtract 20%. Say, for example, if they are giving 200 rupees discount, means what we have to do? X minus 200. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
X minus 200 is going to be the selling price. Clear? Pratish. For example, 200 rupees discount means what? Discount with respect to the MRP means MRP I don't know, that discount is nothing but X minus 200 rupees is going to be the selling price. I know the selling price is 1768, then obviously the market price is nothing but 1768 plus 200. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Fine. Let us move on to the next problem. A trader earns rupees 544 as a profit by marking his goods at 30%, then selling them at a 10% discount. At what price does he buy the goods? They are asking you to find out the CP, isn't it? That is the question here. A trader earns rupees 544 as a profit. First of all, analyze the statement. What is the given here? Okay. A trader earns rupees 544 as a profit. Profit is provided by making his goods at 30%, then selling them at the 10% discount. At what price does he buy the goods? Buy the goods means obviously they are asking you to find out the CP. Clear? So if it is so, how could you solve this kind of problem? So I don't know the price of the goods. Take that price of your goods. So this is the one method. You can do the percentage method also. So now PCG method also. Listen. So here price of the goods I don't know. I'm considering this the price of the goods is nothing but X. So this is nothing but the CP. Understood? if the CP is X, so it's a reverse one. Okay, if the CP is X, what is going to be the SP? SP is going to be the CP plus profit. So I don't know the CP. I'm considering as a X. Then what is going to be the SP? The SP is going to be the profit plus CP. That is nothing but a 544. Okay. So everyone clear with the SP?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So after this, now listen carefully. Here, this profit is happening by marking his goods at 30% and giving the discount at 10%. So what would be the marked up price? Marked up price is going to be the 30% of 30% of
X plus 5454.
okay, fine. So I'm just taking this as 30%. Always if you don't know something, you need to calculate this as a 100%. So if the 30% is increase means then 1.3 into CP. Am I right? Clear. So this is nothing but 1.3x. Clear. Everyone, how could you calculate the MP? I don't know that MP. MP as, if you don't know MP, then consider that MP as 100%. If the 30% is increases means the MP will become 130%. The 130 is nothing but 1.3. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
With respect to the CP, then 1.3x. Then what would be the selling price? The selling price is equal to 10% discount means what? Simple. Then the 90% of MP is nothing but the selling price. Clear? Then X plus 544. So which is nothing but the, what is the 90% of MP? 90% is nothing but 0.9. Clear? Into what is the MP? MP is nothing but 1.3x. So therefore 1.3 into 0.9. 1.3 into 0.9. 1.3 into 0.9. So therefore 7, 2, here 10, 11, 0, 0, then 7, 1, 1, here 1.2 point, therefore 1.17x.
1.17.
So therefore x plus 544. Then calculate this. So how could you calculate this? Bring this x towards, therefore 1.17x minus x. So 1, therefore 0.17x, isn't it? So 544. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
it will become x is equal to 544 by 0.17. You can calculate what would be the x. So
So 3200.
3200. Wow. So you are
Yes,
done
sir.
with this one. 4
17 into 32 is,
this one. Okay, fine.
yes, sir. 17 into 32 is 544.
17 into 32. So therefore 3200. Or else you can do in this way, right? So denominator contains 2 decimals, therefore we have to multiply 100 in the numerator, 100 in the denominator, therefore it will become 54400 by 17. Then you can go with this method, 00 by 17. So therefore 3 times 54, 51, 51.
51, sir.
Then here 3 4, then 2 times, then 34 0, then 2 zeros carries, therefore you have to put it in the quotient, therefore it will become, so therefore the CP is equal to rupees 3200. Anybody having a doubt? This kind of problems
Sir,
you
can
need
you
to
explain again?
Ismail.
Yes, sir.
Ismail, சரி screen கவனிப்பா. Okay, screen miss பண்ணீங்க புரியாது. Screen கவனிங்க. So now they are asking you to find out the price of the goods. So I don't know the price of the good, then for x. So here a trader earns rupees. So this is the profit provided 544. So cost price plus profit is nothing but the selling price. Okay, I know the cost price is nothing but x, profit is already provided 544. So in order to calculate the market price, what you have to do, the market price is nothing but the cost price into some percentage. I don't know the actual market price. That market price is going to be the 30% increase, therefore it will become 1.3. So market price is nothing but a, suppose y means 30% increase means 30% of y, therefore it will totally become 1.3. So therefore 1.3 into cp here x, therefore mp you know this one. So after calculating the mp, the selling price is going to be the 10% discount, which means that if you are giving the 10% discount with respect to the mp, the obviously what would be the selling price, 90% of the market price. So therefore deriving this is very important. So the selling price is going to be the 90%. Since 10% it's going to be the discount, therefore 90% of mp. So 90% is nothing but 0.9 into 1.3. Marked up mp is nothing but you have calculated here, therefore 1.3x. Therefore then the remaining thing is the calculation only. I am bringing this x towards the RHS. 1.17 minus 1 full x is nothing but 0.17. Then I am bringing, so it is in the product. If it is in the product, it will come in the denominator. Then easily you can calculate the CP by using the simple calculations. Understood? Ismail?
Yes, sir. And is there any shortcut to solve this problem?
Shortcut விட இது better method. Shortcut நீங்க
சார் அந்த பாயிண்ட் உள்ள கால்குலேஷனை ஆன் பண்ணிடுவேன் சார். கொஞ்சம் இந்த 544 0.7 இருக்குல்ல.
Wait. Ashina is saying something. Ashina, yes, proceed.
The PCG method we can apply now.
PCG method also you can apply, but there also you need some calculative works. You have to come back reversely. PCG method
Yeah.
means, why I am not teaching the PCG method is many people will get confusion. CP always should be here, SP here. Okay, then market price, then you have to come back reverse process. Okay, that is why I'm not using that PCG method. I not even solved PCG method here, so not even started also. Now listen carefully, I will tell you the another method here. So somebody is asking another method, so I will tell you the another method. Wait, another method. You don't know CP, take that CP as 100 rupees. Okay, then what would be the MP? MP is nothing but 1.3 into 100. So the MP will become 130 rupees. SP is nothing but what? 90% of MP. 90% means 0.9 into 130. What would be the 0.9 into 130? 0.9 into 130 is nothing but 170. So here what would be the profit here? Profit is nothing but the 17 rupees.
Yes, this equate
So
544.
yes, if it is 17 rupees, so what is the actual profit?
544.
Actual profit is 544. Then clear?
17 equates 544, so 100 equates like this.
Clear? Everyone clear or not? Then easily you can calculate this one. So what is the thing you need to calculate? Your CP. CP is equal to 100 into 544 by
by
17.
17.
17.
Then you can cancel this 32. Therefore, it will become CP is equal to 3200. Clear? This method.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This method also you can use. Clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? Wait, how many
Yes,
problems
sir.
are there? Let me check
Yes,
here.
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 problems are there. So let us do one thing. Okay, this problem I will give you as a practice. You people try, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Try. Suppose if you couldn't able to get, then come back. This is also similar problem with respect to MRP. So like that only profit and the margin, etc. So here also some profit margin, etc. Here also some profit. Suppose let us do one thing. Shall we do it in the next class,
Yes,
or
sir.
you people wanna try this 5 problem?
You can give us the PDF now, so
Yes, sir.
we'll
I
try.
will. I will give you the PDF. Okay, the 5 problem I will give you as a PDF. Okay,
Yes, sir. So
I'll give you as
tomorrow, which class will happen?
tomorrow. There is a no class because some aspirants having some other class. So the next class is on Wednesday. Wednesday we will have a class.
It's a
Same,
doubt for you
same,
have already said.
same profit and loss. Also, we need to solve many problems. So still, the concept has not yet over with respect to the profit and loss. After Wednesday also we are going to discuss profit and loss. Then Friday also we are going to discuss the profit and loss. Then Saturday what we are going to do is Saturday we are going to solve the remaining problems with respect to the time and work. That
Yes, sir, I have some
that
problem with this.
wait. The 10 problems only we have completed na that warm up problem. 10 problems we have discussed in 10. So
Yes, sir.
remaining 10 problems we will remain 15 problems are there. We will try to complete that remaining problems on the Saturday's class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then Sunday, if time permits, we will solve again profit and loss. Okay. Then we move on to the some other concept. Okay. So this is the overall idea with respect to this week. Okay. Saturday we will discuss. See, actually, it's a homework problem and all nobody is doing, but we people are struggling with homework. So therefore, so what about the question paper? Question paper, it's a difficult one, huh? It's look difficult.
So a bit of lengthy.
Average.
Huh?
I felt it's a little bit of lengthy.
Lengthy. If you have you seen the UPSC 2022 question paper?
Yes, sir.
Whether it's a lengthy one or a very easy one.
But it was okay. It was good.
So you people have to uh, face this kind of lengthy purpose. You need to see that maintaining the accuracy is important. So that is what UPSC is also expecting. So wait, let me conclude this class and then we will discuss. Okay, let me conclude. It's a recording is going on. So I am concluding this class. We will meet again in the next class. Thank you.